Hey guys, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and this morning I spoke with Shelly, and she thought you guys would want to see this video. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you can apply right away, and it's really going to help with your online presence as well as generating more organic leads because nearly 70% of your organic leads are coming from this website. It is really important that your website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. Now, I like that you have your contact information. As soon as I land on this page, we have your phone number, email, and a form. That's awesome. I love it. I love the cute little cartoon character. It's fun. Um, but we don't really have any title or anything going here, so it's really not doing much to help you, but it is cute. Utah water damage. So that's a good regional keyword. We got a little bit of content. But even though you have a decent amount of content here, you don't have any keywords. You have the one regional keyword where if you actually had duplication of it, it could be indexed, but you don't have the repetition. You need about two, three, maybe even four at most, but you need to have that repetition of your local keywords to be indexed and get picked up and be found organically. Now, Google does not rank your website based on appearance, which is good because your website is definitely very dated, but it is based on content. Content is key, and you do need a lot of it. So your homepage needs a minimum of 1,500 words of content, and it looks like you're probably pretty close to that. Um, you definitely want more content if your competitors have more, but your content needs to be focused around your local buyer intent keywords. That is the keywords people are actively searching for your services online in your community. So you need to have either state, which would be like a regional keyword like the Utah water damage, or you need the specific city. So if this is based around Centerville, then your keywords on your homepage and all of these service pages need to be based around Centerville keywords. Now, I love the fact that you have these service area pages. They're very important. If you are servicing these cities, they need to have their own page if they have their own search volume, search keyword volume. Um, there is this issue going on with the images, at least for this county. And this is good. Water damage remediation bountiful. That's awesome. Um, but you need exact match. You need duplication of your exact match keywords. And also keep in mind the whole point of these service area pages is to be found for each of your services. So every single one of these service area pages, not only do they have to have unique content and have to go after their own keywords, but these should be like mini home pages. And a home page is designed to give just a small little synopsis of each of your services. So your home page is missing out on your other services as well. So you definitely need to rework your content and keyword strategy. Make sure that all pages are unique. Make sure that each page is going after their own keywords and do not duplicate those keywords or that content. You will be penalized for duplicating content. And if you go after the same keyword on multiple pages, then you'll run into keyword cannibalization and you won't be found online. So that's going to be extremely critical for you guys to work on to optimize this website so you can start capturing that traffic. Now, if we look at your top competitor, we have Utah Disaster Team. They have a decent looking website. They have the phone number, email, top. They have the separate service pages, just like you guys. Um, they have content. They have interlinking pages, which is important for your SEO. And they have a little bit of content, a little summary of each. This is kind of what I was telling you. You need to have a couple paragraphs about each of your services. Little summary, but have your keywords in there. The only keyword these guys have is their brand here, or a national keyword. So you need to focus on local keywords, and make sure you have information about each of your services so that you can be found organically online. And then you're going to need to support your website with SEO, because a website without search engine optimization is not going to be found online. So if we look here, you have a rating of a 5, which I'm kind of impressed, because you've got zeros everywhere else, and this rating is based on backlinks or referring domains. So there must have at some point been some backlinks or referring domains. I'm not sure. There was something at some point that was giving you that boost. But basically, this means that Google does not trust your website yet. And that's because you don't have any backlinks or referring domains. You need a lot of these. A referring domain is any website that will provide your website with a link from their website to your website. The backlink is that physical link coming from the other website. The whole purpose is to drive traffic to your website. Now, while you do need a lot of these, not all are created equal. You want to go after only the relevant, authoritative links that are directly related to your industry. And you want to make sure that they're do follows, and you'll need more than your competitors. But you have 0 keywords indexed and you're getting 0 traffic. So you're not bringing people in and converting them into customers. So you're missing out on a ton of potential customers by not optimizing your website. If we look at your competitor, they have a low rating of a 0.8 with 100 backlinks, which just proves that not all backlinks are created equal. Out of those links, only 11 are do follows. So you only have to beat their 11 do follow referring domains, in quantity as well as quality. And Google only gives you credit for 1 backlink per referring domain. So anything else Google looks at as spam. These guys have been indexed for over 100 keywords, but they're still only getting 37 people to their website. So they're still missing the boat as well by not capitalizing on those keywords. Remember, people search differently. Not everybody searches the same way. So there's multiple variations of keywords that you want to utilize. All right, and so the last part of this is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section, which you are for this specific search. You do want to be in the top 3 for all of your relevant keywords and service areas. So you might need multiple Google My Business pages. In order to be in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important are citations. That's going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. And you do need more of those than your competition. Now, if you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 across your service areas and services using those local buyer intent keywords. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really like your feedback on it. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.